All right, today we're going to talk about neuroanatomy, and we're going to start with the development of the central nervous system. We all start out first as a neural tube. The neural tube forms very early in development, and its formation requires folic acid, which is why all women who could become pregnant should be taking a vitamin that has folic acid in it. The neural tube first differentiates into three different regions called the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The forebrain is sometimes referred to as the prosencephalon, the midbrain as the mesencephalon, and the hindbrain as the rhombencephalon. These three subdivisions then further divide into 5 developmental divisions. The forebrain, or the prosencephalon, develops into the telencephalon and the diencephalon. The mesencephalon actually stays the mesencephalon, but then the hindbrain, or the rhombencephalon, differentiates into 2 different regions, the metencephalon and the myelencephalon. These developmental divisions, these 5 developmental divisions, can also be thought of in terms of not just their developmental role, but also their role in evolution. The hindbrain, the myelencephalon, is the phylogenetically oldest part of the brain. Whereas the telencephalon is not only the last to develop in each individual, but also is the most recent from an evolutionary standpoint. Knowing the developmental division to which a brain region belongs helps you to know a little bit about that brain region's function. For example, if a brain region is in the myelencephalon or the metencephalon, you can predict that its role is mostly going to be reflexive. Whereas if it's at the level of the telencephalon, you can know that it's a higher order function. Consciousness, for example, happens at the level of the telencephalon. And now we're going to talk more about that brain region.